Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson SV14. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson SV14 sounds like something stuck inside, it may be due to a blockage or a failing motor. This can happen when debris accumulates or if the motor starts to wear out. If left untreated, it could lead to decreased performance and potentially permanent damage to your device. To carry out the repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a replacement motor, and some rubbing alcohol for cleaning. Start by ensuring your Dyson is unplugged and lay it on a soft surface to avoid scratches. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws on the back panel of the vacuum. Gently pry the panel away with a flathead screwdriver, taking care not to damage any clips. Once the rear panel is off, locate the motor, which is typically situated at the base of the vacuum. You may need to disconnect some cables leading to the motor. Remember to note where each cable connects for reassembly. Carefully unscrew the motor using your Phillips screwdriver. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the old motor is removed, take your new motor and securely fit it into place. Reconnect all cables, ensuring they match the original configuration. To reassemble, carefully replace the back panel and screw it in securely. Make sure everything is aligned correctly to avoid gaps. Finally, plug in your Dyson and turn it on to check if it's functioning properly. If the noise persists, further investigation may be needed. To prevent this issue from occurring in the future, regularly clean your vacuum's filters and check for blockages. Additionally, avoid vacuuming large debris that could harm the motor. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.